こんにちは. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to write Ru Hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. Ru. This character consists of only one stroke. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. This is the only stroke of this character. First, it goes from left to right, and it goes diagonally to the left. Then you make a round curve and make a loop with a stop at the end. Alright, let's take a look one more time. 1. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。